Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me show you how to make this gorgeous and delicious dish step by step. Let's cook. We have here 2 pounds of cod fish and it's so beautiful, nice and thick the way I like it. My husband loves it this way. I really love it. So I already have cleaned and washed the fish. I want to pat dry it with another towel. I have a towel underneath so that it collect any water or any liquid from it. We want to make sure the fish is really nice and dry so that when it's cooking, we don't have so much moist. And then the fish come out so nice and crispy in the top and moist inside. Instead of just using salt and pepper, I'm gonna use lemon pepper. Why lemon pepper? Because it's awesome. It comes out so good. Not only that, but also by using the powder lemon pepper, we are not putting any liquid to it, no fluid to it. So we are going to make sure we get that extra flavor without adding anything liquid to it. Instead of squeezing the lime or the lemon pepper is just perfect. And I tell you guys, the flavor come out so good. It come out beautiful. This is 2 pounds of cod. I do it on both sides. And this has plenty of pepper and also has some salt. So we don't have to add any salt to it. This is the top. We're gonna be baking the fish. The rule of thumb for the fish is that we put it in the oven 10 minutes per inch of thickness. So this is about 1.5 inches thick. I would say 1.5 inches. It's really, like really nice and thick. You guys can see. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna be putting this in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. So I didn't put too much dressing on it or much seasoning because this fish is just nice the way it is. We don't want to overpower it with seasoning. Also, I'm going to be using a stuffing. I'm going to be putting it on the top. This is delicious because it's a seafood stuffing that I got in Massachusetts. So every time I go or every time someone comes to visit, I ask them to bring it to me because I love it. It has chunks of crab meat in it. It's delicious. This is the breadcrumb that we're going to be using to top the fish. So this is the dish, the baking pan that I'm going to be using is a 12 by 8 and I'm going to be just pouring a little olive oil in the bottom. So about a teaspoon of olive oil just on the bottom before we place the fish. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it. It's beautiful, beautiful. It smells so good. Just remember, 10 minutes per inch of thickness. The fish goes in the oven. The oven is on 400, it's been preheated, it's ready to go. The fish is going in the oven, so I just place it right in the center. What I'm also cooking to eat with the fish is some asparagus. With asparagus, you know that about 1 inch away from the end, we have to take off because it's very hard and it's not pleasant to eat. Let's go ahead and put about a teaspoon of oil, olive oil. It's optional. You can use any oil of your convenience, anything you have. The heat is on medium high. I just put about half a teaspoon of garlic before I put the asparagus in because I love garlic. So I just want to leave it alone for about 1 minute. In a minute, then the asparagus is going to start bringing some steam out and that's going to be awesome. And then I marinate it with some butter and some chicken bouillon. Just remember to uncover them because if you leave them covered, then the heat is going to just stay there for longer and it's going to overcook them. You don't want that. Uncover them so that they get nice and cool and stop the process of cooking. Those are done. Let's wait for the fish. Beautiful fish. Oh, it looks delicious and it smells so good. Whew. Okay, let's go ahead and put a dish together. Let's try it. While the fish was cooking, I also prepared some carrots and mushroom to pair this beautiful dish. Let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Wow, it's beautiful. Tastes so good. The fish is nice and tender. It's awesome. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. And I hope you guys make it. You try it. And if you do, I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know in the comment box. But if you like this recipe, I ask you to please check the next video. You're going to love it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you all. God bless. Let's eat.